Hello guys! Andito kami ngayon sa airport. Ito yung Sam and Say, and merong nakaiwan ng camera dito sa mga upuan. Sino kaya yun? Kung sino ka man, kung makikita mo tong video na to, hello na lang sa'yo. And salamat sa inyo, Wizz Air. Bye! Excuse me. Ay, hey guys! Hey! So we're in the airport now. Hinayra ko ni Sam and Say na maging alalay po nila. Thank you, Wizz Air. Sa susunod ulit.
Thank you.
Thank you, Chloe. Ayan. So we're on the way guys sa Georgia Kutaisi for the second time around. I'm here.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Thank you for waiting. So guys, we're staying here at Memorial Hotel. So mag-check-in na kami. Uy. Ang ganda niya ate. Dito muna Ay, bumubulong-bulong ko nila. So guys, good morning. So dito kami kakain. So yung hotel na in-stay namin may free na lamon. Lamon. Wow. So this is our breakfast. Thank you for coming.
Thank you, Kuya, for inviting me.
Pina-prepare ko to para sa inyo. And guys, ito yung wow, it's nice. Oh, it's giving.
Giving? Ano yan? Ano nga yung tawag sa generation na yun?
Meron silang winery dito. Ang galing. How much this one? Nice. Medyo pang 3 plate mo na yan.
Wow!
Oh! This is fresh milk. This is fresh milk. That's this one. Lemonade.
Uy, parang masarap po yung lemonade.
Pero mas masarap siya.
5 gel. Ano yung 5 gel kaya sa atin?
Slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
We're here sa 24 hours race.